I mean, I think anytime that you've got equipment that is, it's like a car. You know, if your car, you know, if you let your oil change go on your car too long, you're going to have problems down the road. It's no different than any piece of equipment that requires hydraulic oil, that's got electrical wiring or components or pneumatic. You know, the things break down over time, and so if you know you've got a problem that is starting to show itself maybe intermittently, and you just let it go and you just keep putting it off because you're so busy, well, one day that machine is going to break down, and then your operation is going to come to a grinding halt. So it's always better to make sure that you maintain it. We have many companies that we work with that do a yearly maintenance schedule with us, where we go in and you know, they shut down for 2 days and we go through all their machines, whether it needs it or not. We have key points that we look at on each machine depending on what it is, and we inspect for excessive wear. We'll check the oils. Not every machine needs an oil change when we're there, but we'll check to make sure there's no burnt smelling oil or discolored oil or leaks. So just something, preventative maintenance is key to making sure that you continue to run effectively and you have as much throughput as possible.